So here's a little example I just threw together for us. What I have here is two different chord progressions. I'm thinking of this as like a verse and a chorus kind of thing to kind of more of a pop song, but it applies in really all music, this concept of borrowing. So I have a chord progression that's 2 bars long here, and then I've done it twice. So these 2 bars are just a repeat of these 2 bars because I just wanted to get it in your head a little bit better. So let's look at what we've got here. We're in the key of G major. So here's our possible chords here. So we have a 1 chord, G major, right? Here we have a C chord. It's inverted, but that's okay. It's a C major chord, so that's a 4. Here we have an E minor chord. It's also inverted. That's a 6. And then we have a D major chord. That's a 5. And then again, 1, 4, 6, 5. Okay? So 1, 4, 6, 5. Now we go over here. In this little section, what I've added here is an A major chord. So that is not in the key. That is in D, though. So it's in the key of D. It works. So a closely related key I've borrowed from and added this A major chord. Then I go to a D major chord, so back to G major and to the 5. However, that's also in the key of D, so it could be in either. And now again, with a slightly different inversion, but the same chord, A major. And then here I threw in a D7 chord. So this is inverted, but if we want to see it a little more clearer, let's put a D at the bottom. So here's our D7 chord. For that, we need this C natural again, and that's going to push us back to this G. Because remember, we learned last time that 5-7 chord has a pull back to the tonic, which is G in this case. Hopefully, it still feels like tonic. So then I gave us the chord progression one more time and then resolved to G major. Okay, so let's hear this, and then we'll take this sharp off and hear it again as if we stayed in key. Okay,